Rico gang, welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all see it here, got a pleasant surprise for y'all. My little brother actually brought through the Travis lows. He definitely hit on these, and not only that, this was his first time ever even trying to go for a shoe on sneakers. So for him to start his resale career with this shoe right here, man, y'all gotta let him know in the comments how blessed he really is. Also, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below because he is about to start his own reselling journey, his own thing. He's gonna be on TikTok. I'm trying to get him to come to YouTube. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna open these up, we're gonna review them, and then I'm gonna tell y'all my resale predictions and what I think he should do with these. All right, so first, when you get these out of the Nike box, they come in this sort of plastic overlay you see here. We got the size 13. So we're gonna open it up like this. And as you see, you probably can't see it on camera. And it's actually Nike, Cactus Jack, and Fragment Designs logo, and Air Jordan logo, all three. So it's pretty dope so far. All right, so now we got the box. You know what? What stands out to me automatically is that this is just like the common Jordan 1 box, except it's in white and blue. Let's see what it says here. Jordan 1 Low OG SP, sale, military blue, black. All right, so when you open it up, you see this pink wrapping paper here. They also have all the logos printed here. Let y'all see that over there. So far, Jessica hates these, but let's see if she still hates these when she sees them in person on hand. So you open up the shoe. Oh man, this is pretty hard. Let me let y'all see it right there and right there. My first thoughts and opinions on this shoe is that it's hard. What you think, Jessica?
I still hate them.
So there we go. Jessica still hates the Travises, but let's go ahead and break this shoe down. So just like all the Jordan 1s, you have the Nike Air on the tongue. And right here on the back, you have the Jordan 1 logo on the back of the tongue. So that's a little different for what I'm used to seeing. They also come with the black laces, the pink laces, and the blue. Are these leather? I think these are the blue leather laces. Let me know which one y'all would choose in the comments. All right, so now moving on to the upper of the shoe. If you follow me, and if you follow me for a long time, then you know that I personally hate this sale colorway, okay? We tried so hard in the early 2000s to not get our shoes this color. So for Nike to just select this color and like paint this color, that's wild, bro. I ain't gonna lie though, I'm not sure if these being white would have made it better. Like, so far I like this shoe. We're gonna go to the back. It has the Cactus Jack logo on the back. I don't know how he got away with taking that from Mankind, but that's another story for another time. You got his little face back here. And a detail that y'all might not see, which I'm gonna show y'all some B-roll. This little series of numbers right here. I'm pretty sure if this was a knockoff, this is what you would be able to look at and tell if it's fake or not, simply because of how fine the print is. So I'm gonna show y'all right there again. You got the bottom of the shoe like a typical Jordan 1. And yeah, bro, I like this. Here's another detail that y'all not gonna be able to see on camera. And this is another way that you'll be able to tell if this is fake or not, but it sort of has like a sort of invisible Cactus Jack print under the check. And I'm sure if you were to see a knockoff, then you would definitely be able to tell from here. I'm gonna put it on this close angle so that y'all can be able to see it. But yeah, bro, overall, I'm gonna rate this shoe a 10 out of 10 simply because it's the Travises, bro. And Travis ain't never played no basketball, but for some reason he's got the hype shoes, all right? So let me know what y'all think in the comments. All right, so as far as resale, okay? Right now on StockX in a size 13, these are going for around 1,100, and if you have these, that means you pay what, 150 for them, so that's definitely good profit. Now, also, if you follow me for a while, then you know that I don't really believe in holding shoes unless it's just an obvious hold. Now, this is one of those obvious holds. Still and true though, my logic is that you hold this for like maybe another year, it might go up, let's say best case scenario, another $500. Is that worth holding? You know, is that worth holding on to that money? If if you're not missing the money, if you don't need the money, then I'm pretty sure it's a good hold and a good investment, or if you could get multiples. But I definitely would advise you to sell now so that you can get that profit and then, go out and get you some more shoes. But you cannot lose if you hold, because this shoe is once again gonna gain some value. So we're gonna compare it to the brown Travis lows. We're gonna compare it to the brown ones and kind of see how the price trended over time. So, and they gained a lot of value, and they just went up, and then boom. A year later, they had went up $300, $400. So a lot of the times when you're looking at resale, you can kind of look at the history of a previous shoe and then kind of base your opinion on that. So just for relativeness, let's look at the Travis highs and see what they've done so far. So as you can see here, they've kind of stayed steady on as far as their value. And this is, of course, if these were a size 13, they're going for almost about $3,000 right now. So like I said, if you got the highs or the lows, you can't lose by holding. But you know me, bro, I'm always advised that you sell. So yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think about the Travis lows, man. And you know, let me know what you think. Let my little brother know if he should hold these or sell these. Also, once again, we're gonna have all his links down here in the description. If you rock with me, if you follow me, go follow him, because I promise you, me and him, we're gonna start working together and doing a lot. So I have a series where I'm taking $100 and turning it to $10,000 reselling sneakers. Meet me over in that video. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.